This tutorial will cover copying files from your flash drive onto your control computer and placing them in the correct place for your control system. So first, go ahead and insert your flash drive. If it prompts you what to do, choose Open Folder to view files. If it does not prompt you, go ahead and go to Computer, or in my case, this PC, because I'm on Windows 10. So I'm now going to navigate to my flash drive. I'm going to go to where I downloaded my files from. So here's the 3 files that I downloaded from the FTP server. I'm going to go ahead and one at a time grab these and just drag them out to an empty area of the desktop. The codecs and databases file will go very quickly, they're very small. The videos may take a few minutes depending on how many rides are actually there and how fast your flash drive is. Let that finish. We'll go ahead and minimize this folder. We now need to extract these files. So we're going to leave the codecs alone. The codecs only needs to be extracted if you have problems playing back the videos. So please install the videos and databases and test the new rides first. If you have problems, then go ahead and follow the tutorials on FFD Show settings as well as FFD Show reinstall if it's required. So we're going to want to open up this videos file here. In here you'll see a folder called videos. This may contain one or more rides. Go ahead and grab this folder and drag this out onto the desktop. It's going to prompt for a password. The password was provided in your email that contained these links. Please remember these passwords are case sensitive. So once we enter our password, we now see it extracting the video. This may take a few minutes, up to several minutes, depending on how many videos are in here. Go ahead and let this finish before continuing. Alright, we'll close this zip folder. Next we will do the same thing for our databases. We're going to open that up. We're going to grab this folder, drag it onto the desktop here. Again, enter our password. Databases should go much faster as it's much smaller. Now, we're going to want to go bring up our folder that we minimized a minute ago, and we're going to navigate to our local disk C here, and if you have an ESP, we're going to go into the folder called ESP V, and then followed by the V will be the version number. It may be version 3 something or version 4 something. If you have a Morphus system, this folder will be called Morphus, and it may be followed by a V and the version number. Go ahead and go into your folder structure here. You will see a databases and a videos folder. So what we want to do is we want to open up this databases folder. You will have databases for any other rides you have installed. We want to open up our new database folder. Go ahead and readjust the size of this stuff so you can see them both on the screen. We're going to want to open up our new databases folder on our desktop. We're going to grab each of the files from here and drag into our ESP databases folder. So we're going to drag this, and then we're done here. We now want to go back to here. We want to go back to our ESP folder. We're going to go into videos. This will contain any videos that you already have. I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I already have this video in here that I'm about to copy. So we will go ahead and now open up our new videos folder we extracted. And we're going to want to take the videos that we have from our new folder and drag into our ESP videos folder. So we now have all of our videos in here. We have our databases in here. We can now close all of this stuff. You can now shut down your system, remove your flash drive, start your system back up, and test your new rides. If you have any playback problems with any of your new rides, then go ahead and follow the other video tutorials on how to adjust your FFD Show codec settings, as well as possibly reinstalling FFD Show if required.